This revolutionary device naturally relieves pain and
makes living a pain-free life possible.
when you experience pain, it's typically the result of electrical signals being sent from the location of the pain to your brain. The worse the pain, the stronger the signal. That's where Kailo comes in. Kailo is an innovative, non-transdermal technology that looks like a pain patch, but instead of masking pain, Kailo targets the source, the brain. It's embedded with billions of tiny nanocapacitors. And these nanocapacitors communicate directly with the brain's electrical system, telling it to turn down the volume of the pain signal. The nanocapacitors are 100% safe and come with zero side effects. A recent clinical trial performed by Dr. Jeffrey Guden showed that patients with mild, moderate, or chronic conditions who used the Kailo Pain Relieving Patch over a 30-day period demonstrated positive and statistically significant results in pain relief and patient satisfaction. More importantly, a significant majority of patients preferred using Kailo over traditional medication. Kailo can be placed anywhere on your body and can be worn directly on the skin with adhesives or on fitted clothing. So you can decide where you place it and how it works best with your daily activities. Even better, a single patch can be worn over and over and last for years, without ever losing its functionality or effectiveness. Since its release to the public, Kailo has helped over 1 million people experience long-lasting pain relief without drugs, expensive treatments, or surgery. Even more impressive, they have a 95% positive customer rating from happy customers in more than 30 countries. Kailo is so confident in their product that they even provide a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee if you or a loved one is suffering from chronic pain with no improvement from traditional pain management methods. then it is highly recommended to give Kailo a try.